Okay, so hello everyone. Nick, Misa, Hannah, Linda. Good morning. Good morning. Good
Visa. Này á hả?
morning.
Không.
Okay.
Visa.
All
Gì
right,
á?
so
Con
let's
tên thật là gì?
start.
Visa tên thật. Người Việt Nam không á?
Let's start our
Người Việt
class.
Nam không?
Okay,
Hay lạc loài?
I will call you one by one, and you are going to tell teacher, how do you feel today? So you are going to say, I am, I am today. So for example, I am happy today, or I am sad today. Okay? So I will call you. Let's start with Linda. Linda, how are you? How do you feel today?
I am happy today.
Okay, I am happy today, Linda. Very good. Okay, how about Hannah? Hannah?
I am happy today.
Okay, very good. How about Misa?
I am happy today.
Okay, how about Nick? How about Nick? Hello, Nick. Are you there? Okay, how about Anna? Hello, Anna. Okay, let's hear from Anna. Anna, how do you feel today?
I am happy today.
Okay. All right, so you're happy today. Okay, and how about Nick? Oh, please open your camera. Nick, Linda, Anna, open your camera. Okay. How about Nick? Nick, how are you today? Oh, I cannot hear you, Nick. Your microphone.
I am happy today.
Okay, so everyone is happy. All right, good job. So now we are going to start our class. Okay, so are you ready, everybody? Are you ready? Yes or no? Are you
Yes.
ready?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so everyone is ready. So let's begin our class. So last meeting,
Trong
we
tuần trước.
learn um we learn lots of words and sentences, and also we were able to learn um yes, some vocabulary. So now we are going to learn a new lesson. So we are now in lesson 4. Okay, everybody? So Anna, Nick, Misa, Hannah, Linda. So we are now going to learn lesson 4. So this time, let's look at first the pictures. Okay? What can you see on the picture? What are these? These are What are these, Misa? These are Misa. What do you call these? These are what? Misa? Oh, I cannot hear you, Misa. Your microphone. What do you call this? These are everybody. What do you call this? These are fruits. Okay? So the picture you can see are fruits. Everybody say fruit.
fruit,
Fruit.
fruit, fruit,
Fruit.
fruits, fruits, fruits,
Okay, everybody say these are fruits. These are fruits. Yes, these are fruits. Okay, so there you go. Okay, what do you call this one, Nick? What's in the picture? Nick, what do you call this? Misa, what do you call this? Misa, what do you call this? These are?
Fruit.
Okay, these are fruits. How about Nick? Nick, what are these? These
Is
are?
a fruit.
Okay, how about Hannah? Hannah, what do you call this?
Fruit.
Okay, how about Linda? What do you call this, Linda?
Fruits.
These are? Okay, answer teacher in a complete sentence. These are? Linda, these are?
They are fruits.
Okay, these are fruits. Okay. How about Anna? What are these? Anna, what are these in the picture? These are? Anna, your microphone. I cannot hear you. These are what? These are?
Trio. Trio.
These are fruits. Okay, Anna, you listen to teacher, okay? Stop doing something. These are fruits. Again, Anna, what are these?
These are fruits.
Okay, these are fruits. So Anna, Linda, Hannah, Misa, Nick. These are fruits. Okay,
These are fruits.
okay, so this time let's learn the name of the fruits. So look at this fruit. Okay, so what fruit is this? It's a, what fruit is that? Ba?
Banana.
Okay, banana. So this is banana. So we have here the word banana. Okay, let's say an orange. An orange. Everybody,
Orange.
yes, everybody follow teacher. An orange.
An orange.
Okay, so where is the orange? Okay, can you circle the orange? Okay, I want you to circle the orange in the picture. Where is the orange fruit? Yeah, you can use your pen. Where is the orange? An orange.
An orange. Orange.
Yes, I want you to circle. Circle where is the orange. Just like this, you will circle banana. Okay, can you circle orange? Where is the orange? Okay, you don't know? Okay, this is the orange. Right? So this is an orange. An orange. Okay? All right, that's an orange. Okay, next,
Orange.
let's go to lemons. Everybody say lemons.
Lemon.
Lemons. Okay, so this is lemons. Lemons. Okay?
Lemons.
So remember this one, remember the picture because teacher will call you one by one. Okay, later. Okay, next. A pineapple. Everybody say a pineapple. A pineapple.
A pineapple.
Okay, so where is pineapple? This is pineapple. Okay, pineapple. This is lemon. Okay, next. A mango. A mango. Everybody say a mango.
A mango. Oh.
Okay, so a mango. Where is mango in the picture? Can you find the mango? This is a mango. Okay, so this is a mango. Next, let's have grapes. Okay, everybody say grapes. 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 Okay. So where are the grapes? So this is the grapes. Okay, this is the grapes. Okay. Next, let's go to kiwis. Where are the kiwis?
Kiwi.
Okay, this one is kiwi.
Kiwi.
Okay, this one is kiwis.
Kiwi.
Okay, this one, an apple. Where is the apple?
Apple.
Okay, this is the apple in the picture.
Apple.
Okay, apple. Next, let's go to
Apple.
limes.
Apple.
Limes. Everybody say limes.
Lice.
Limes. Okay, this one, these are limes.
Lice.
Okay, these are limes. Next, let's go to pears. Pears.
Pear.
Okay, where are the pears? So this is the pear. Okay, pear.
Pear.
And the last one, watermelon. Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Okay,
Watermelon.
so where's the watermelon? This is the watermelon.
Watermelon.
Okay, so there you go. So those are the names of the fruit. Okay, so those are the names of the fruit. Okay, everybody, you follow teacher. Let's say banana,
Banana.
banana, orange,
Orange.
lemon,
Lemon.
lemons, lemons,
Lemon.
a pineapple,
A pineapple.
mango,
A mango.
grapes,
Grapes.
kiwis,
Kiwi.
apple,
Apple.
lime,
Lamb.
pears,
Pear.
watermelon.
Watermelon.
Okay, so those are the names of the fruit. Okay, so you follow that. Those are the names of the fruit. Okay, so now let's start with Linda. Okay, Let's name the let's name the fruits, Linda. Okay, Linda, I want you to say, what is this?
Is a banana.
Okay, a banana. Okay, how about this one? What's this?
Is a watermelon.
Okay, very good. Watermelon. This one, what's this?
Is an orange.
Very good. It's an orange. Okay, next. What's this?
is a pineapple.
Okay, it's a pineapple. Very good. Next, what's this?
Is a lemon.
Okay, it's a lemon. Okay. Next, what's this?
Is a mango.
Okay, it's a mango. Very good. Mango. Next, what's this?
Is a lamps.
It's a
Lamps.
okay, you say that one. Limes.
Lamps.
Okay, limes. Next, what's this?
Is a pears.
Okay, it's a pear. Okay, very good. How about this?
Is a grapes.
Grapes. Okay, how about this?
Is an apple.
An apple. Good job. How about this?
Is a kiwis.
Kiwis. Okay, good job, Linda. That's good. Okay, let's have the next person. Let's have Misa. Okay, Misa, what's this?
A banana.
It's a,
Banana.
it's a.
Is a banana.
Okay, so you will answer teacher in a complete sentence. Okay, so do not say banana. It's a banana. Okay, let's go to the next. What's this?
Is a orange.
Okay, do not say, Misa will say. It's an orange. Okay. How about this?
Apple.
It's a pineapple.
Oh,
Okay. Next, what's this?
watermelon.
Okay. Again. Answer teacher in a complete sentence. What's this? It's a,
Watermelon.
it's a,
Watermelon.
it's a.
Is a watermelon.
Okay, that's correct. Okay, that's correct, Misa. It's a watermelon. Okay, don't be lazy. Do not say watermelon. Okay, it's a watermelon. Okay, next, what's this?
A mango.
It's a,
Mango.
what's this?
Is a mango.
Okay, good. Next, what's this?
Is a tree.
It's a, it's a pear. Pear.
Is a pear.
Okay. Next, what's this?
Is an apple.
Okay, it's an apple. Good. This one? What's that?
Is a
Mm-hmm. It's grapes.
grace.
It's grapes.
Is grace.
Okay, next. This one, what's this?
Is a kiwi.
Okay, it's a kiwi. Good. Next, what's this?
Is a light.
Lime. And the last?
Is a lemon.
Okay, lemons. Okay, good job, Misa. Okay, let's go to the next. Let's have Anna. Anna, what's this, Anna? Okay, your microphone,
A
Anna.
banana.
A banana. Very good. What's this?
This kiwi.
It's a,
Kiwis.
or it's kiwis.
Kiwis.
It's kiwis.
Is kiwis.
Okay. Next, what's this?
This this
It's
grape
grapes.
grapes.
Again, it's grapes.
Grapes.
Okay, next, what's this?
Is orange.
It's
And
orange.
dark in orange.
It's an orange. Okay, this one?
Pear.
It's pears. Okay. Next, what's this?
This lemons.
Okay. It's lemons. Okay, this one, what's this?
Is this mango.
It's mango. Okay. Next, what's this?
Uh,
It's a.
is watermelon.
Okay, it's a watermelon. Next, what's this?
This an apple.
Okay, an apple. Okay. Next, what's this?
Is lambs.
Limes. This one?
This this this
It's a.
pineapple.
What is this? It's a.
Pineapple. Pineapple.
Okay, it's a pineapple. It's a. It's a.
It's pineapple.
Okay, it's a pineapple. Okay, next. Let's go to Hannah. Okay, very good, Anna. Let's go to Hannah. Hannah, what's this? Okay, I cannot hear you, Hannah. Your microphone. Click your microphone, Hannah. No sound. Okay, Hannah, what's this?
A banana.
It's a.
Banana.
Okay. Next, what's this?
An orange.
An orange. Okay. All right, good. An orange. What's this?
A
It's a. What is this? It's a pine.
apple.
Again, it's a.
Pineapple.
It's a.
It's a pineapple.
Okay, next, what's this?
It's a it's a mango.
Okay, it's a mango, correct. Next, what's this?
It's a watermelon.
Okay, very good. It's a watermelon. This one?
It's a giraffe.
Okay, it's grapes.
A grapes.
Okay, next. What's this?
It's a kiwi.
Okay, good. This one?
It's a lips.
Limes.
It's a lice.
Okay, this one?
It's a apple.
Okay, good. This one?
A pear.
Okay, it's a pear. This one?
It's a lemon.
Lemon. Okay, good job. Very good, Hannah. Now let's have Nick. Nick, it's your turn. Are you ready? What is
Is
this, Nick?
is a banana.
Okay, it's a banana. This one, Nick?
Is an orange.
Okay, it's an orange. Good. This one?
Is a watermelon.
Okay, it's a watermelon. Very good. This one?
Is a pears.
Okay, it's a pears. This one?
Is is
It's
lemon.
okay, it's
Lemons.
lemons.
Is lemons.
Okay, good. This one, what's this?
Is the
Grapes.
grapes.
Okay, so that's grapes. Okay.
Grapes.
Next, let's have this one.
Is an apple.
It's an apple. Good. This one,
Is kiwi.
kiwis. Okay, this one,
Is is mango.
it's mango. Very good. This one,
Is apple.
okay, pineapple.
Pineapple.
Okay, this one,
Is lambs.
okay, it's limes. And the last, okay, very good, Nick. So everybody, Nick, Misa, Hannah, uh, Linda, Anna. So you did a good job. Okay, so good job, everybody. Okay, so for that, let's go now to the next. Okay, so we are going to, okay, say. So let's do speaking. What are these? They are limes. What's this? It's a banana. Okay? So teacher would say, what are these? Then you would say, these are limes. What's this? It's a banana. Okay? So let's practice. Okay, let's start with Anna. Anna, are you listening? Okay, we are going to say, what are these? Then you would say, they are limes. What's this? It's a banana. Okay, let's start with you, Anna. Okay, Anna, are you ready? Anna? Okay, let's have Anna. Let's have this one. What's this?
This This what watermelon.
This is a.
Watermelon.
This is a.
This is a watermelon.
Okay, very good. Let's have Linda. Linda, what's this?
It's a pineapple.
Again, what's this?
It's a pineapple.
Okay, let's have Hannah. Hannah, what's this?
It's a mango.
Okay, good. How about Misa? What are these? What are these? These are.
It's a kiss.
Yes, the question is, what are these? What are these? Okay, so how do you say it? These are. What are these? These are.
Light.
These are. These are.
Light.
These are.
These are light.
These are limes.
These are lights.
Again, you say these. These.
These.
These.
These.
These are. These are.
B.
These are limes.
limes, limes,
These are limes.
These are lights.
Misa, this one. Limes.
Lights.
Limes. M. You have the sound limes.
Limes.
Okay, that's good. These are limes. Okay, how about Nick? Nick, what's this? What are these? What are these? Nick, what are these? These are.
Is a pears.
Okay, very good. These are pears because you can see two. Okay, so you can say pears. These are pears. Okay,
These
good job,
are
everybody.
pear.
Yeah, so you have Nick, Misa, Hannah, Linda, Anna. So you did a good job. All right. That's perfect. Okay. So now let's go to the next part. Okay. So let's now answer this. Look at this food. Okay. Okay, so let's look at this food and complete the crossword. Okay, so for example, we have here number one. So we have pie. Pie. Okay, so let's try to look at. Okay, let's have number two. What is this? Okay, let's have the words. Okay, let's read first the words, everybody. You follow teacher. Bread.
Bread.
Coconut.
Coconut.
Beans.
Beer.
Peas.
Tea.
Rice.
Fry.
Potato.
Potato.
Carrot.
Carrot.
Onion.
Onion.
Tomato.
Tomato.
Pie.
Pie.
Okay, so those are the words from the pictures. Okay, now let's answer. So for example, number 1, this is pie. Okay.
Pie.
All right, let's have number 2. What's this? Number 2. Okay, yes, misa. What's this misa?
It's a bread.
Okay, it's a bread. Okay, let's answer that. Okay, you say it's a bread. Okay, let's type. How do you spell B R E A D? Okay, very good. That's bread. Okay, let's go to number three. Where's number 3? Okay, so this is bread. B. Okay, B R E A D. Okay, let's go to number 3. What's number 3? What's this? Let's have uh Anna. Okay, Anna. What is that?
That that that
Yeah, what is that? Number 3. Okay, where's number 3? Okay, this one, number 3. What is that? This is from the words, Anna.
is a is a
This is what? It starts with letter R. R I
C
C. Okay, how do you say that? Rice.
rice
Rice.
rice
Okay, that's correct. Let's go to number 4. How about Hannah? Hannah, what is number 4? What's number 4? Okay, rice is already chosen. Bread, pie. Okay, what's next? What's that? Starts with letter P. Ends with letter O.
potato
Okay, sorry. This is not on this part. Po te
D
Okay, potato. Very good. Let's have Nick. Nick, what is number 5? What's number 5, Nick? What's number 5, Nick? Starts with letter O.
O
Starts with letter O, ends with letter N. What is this?
N
Huh?
I
What is that? How do you read that?
I
Onion.
O
Okay, how do you read that? You say onion.
onion
Onion. Yeah, that is
onion
onion.
onion
Okay, very good. Let's have the next. Let's have Linda. What's number 6? Picture 6.
Coconut.
Picture 6. Okay. All right. So we have coconut. Okay, let's check. How do you spell? C
C
O
C
O C O N
N
U
T.
T. Okay, coconut. Okay, that is coconut number 6. Okay, next, let's go to down. Down for number 4. Okay. So number 4, let's have Misa. What is down for number 4? Starts with letter P. Starts with letter P, ends with letter S. What's that, Misa? How do you read that? Oh, I cannot hear you. Your microphone, Misa.
Bees.
Okay, how do you read that? Peace. Misa, how do you pronounce that? Peace.
Peace.
Okay, let's spell P E A. Peace. Okay, very good. Next, let's go to down for number 6. Okay, Hannah. Hannah.
Carrot.
Hannah, what's that?
Carrots.
Carrot. Okay, how do you spell? C
C A
A
R
R
R
R
O
O
T.
T. Okay, so that's carrot. Okay, let's go to 8. 8 on this side. What's this? Let's have Nick. Nick, what's this? It starts with letter T, ends with letter O. Nick, what's that? Nick, what is this?
Is.
Starts with letter T, ends with letter O. It's what? It's a
Is. Uh.
it's a tomato.
To.
How do you read that? Tomato.
Tomato.
Tomato. Okay.
Tomato.
All right. Let's have Anna. Anna. Okay, what's this, Anna? The last one. 7. Yes, Anna. Starts with letter B, ends with letter S. Anna. Oh, I cannot hear you, Anna. Your microphone. Anna. Anna. Your microphone, Anna.
E.
How do you say that? Beans. Beans, Anna. Beans. Beans. Jeans. Okay, so everybody, good job. So Anna, Linda, Hannah, Misa, and Nick. Okay, good job. All right. So that is good job. Okay. So you got it correctly. All right. So now let's go to the next. Okay, this time let's now read. So look and write. So would you like some beans? Yes, please. Then look at the picture. Would you like some bread? Would you? Would you
Like.
like
Like.
some bread? No. Thank you. Okay, let's have number 3. What's this? Number 3. Would you?
What you
Would you
like
like uh,
some
would you like what's this?
potato?
Okay, potato. Would you like a potato? All right, good. Next, what's
Yes.
this?
This
Would
would you
you
like would
an
you like
an onion?
an onion?
Okay, no. Thank
No, thank you.
you. Okay. Would you like potato?
Yes,
Yes,
please.
please. Okay, so there you go. So everybody, let's read let's read. Let's start with Misa. Okay, Misa, I want you to read. Ready, go. Would you like some beans? Misa, read. Would you like some beans?
Yes, please.
Okay. Would you like some bread?
No, thank you.
Would you like a potato?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Yes,
Please.
please.
Okay. Next. Would you like an onion? Would you like an onion? Misa. Would you like an onion?
No, thank you.
Okay. Let's have Linda. Linda, would you like some beans?
No, thank you.
Would you like some beans? Linda,
Yes, please.
would you like some bread?
No, thank you.
Would you like a potato?
Yes, please.
Would you like an onion?
No, thank you.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's have Nick. Nick. Okay, let's answer Nick. Would you like some beans?
Yes, please.
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 Would you like some bread?
No, thank you.
Would you like a potato?
Yes, please.
Would you like an onion?
No, thank you.
Okay, let's have Hannah. Hannah, would you like some beans?
Yes, please.
Would you like some bread?
No, thank you.
Would you like a potato?
Yes, please.
Would you like an onion?
No, thank you.
Okay. Let's have Anna. Anna, Anna, would you like some bread? Anna, would you like some bread?
No, thank you.
Would you like some beans?
Yes, please.
Would you like a potato?
Yes, please.
Would you like an onion?
No, thank you.
Okay, very good. All right, let's now practice one more time. Okay, let's start with Linda. Linda, would you like a potato? Linda, would you like a potato?
Yes, please.
Okay, good. Let's have Misa. Okay, let's have Hannah. Hannah, would you like some bread?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Okay. Would you like some bread?
No, thank you. Thank you.
Okay, Misa. Misa, would you like an onion? Misa,
thank
would you
you.
like an onion?
No, thank you.
Okay, so no, thank you. How about Nick? Nick, would you like some bread? Nick? Nick. Would you like some bread, Nick?
No, thank you.
Okay. How about Anna? Anna, would you like an onion? Anna, would you like an onion? Anna. Anna. Would you like an onion, Anna? Anna. Anna, would you like an onion?
No,
Anna?
thank you.
Okay. All right. So everybody, Nick, Misa, Hannah, Linda, Anna, let's read together. Okay? So let's read together. Would you? Let's read together. Would you like some beans? Would you like some beans? Okay, follow teacher. Would you like some beans? Would you like some beans? Everybody say, everybody speak. Hello, everybody speak. Nick, Misa, Hannah, Linda, Anna. Would you like?
Would you like?
Would you like some
Some
beans?
bread.
Would you like some?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Would you
Would you
like?
Would you like
some
some
bread?
bread?
No.
No, thank you.
Thank you.
Would
Would you
Would you
like
like
potato?
potato?
Potato.
Yes,
Yes,
Yes.
please. Next,
Would
would
you
you?
like no,
No,
thank
thank
you.
No,
you.
thank you.
Okay, very good, everybody. So that is good job. Okay, so this time, let's now go to the story and listening. So we are going to listen to a short story. Okay, everybody? I want you to listen to the story. Okay, let's listen to the short story. Everybody listen.
Listening 15. Listen and read. Then act. 1,
That's a big breakfast. Eggs, sausages, tomatoes and beans.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Bread and fruit.
2,
What do you eat for lunch, Sam?
Look, I eat meat, bread and fruit.
I eat fish, rice, and pineapple.
3,
What would you like for dinner this evening, Sam?
Burgers and chips, please.
4,
What's your favourite meal?
Dinner. I like burgers and chips.
All right, so there you go. That's a short story. But since we are running out of time, we will just continue this next meeting, okay? So for your homework, I want you to practice reading the story, okay? So practice reading the story, everybody. That's your homework. All right. So that ends our lesson for today. Thank you so much, everybody. And see you next class. Okay? Bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye-bye,
Goodbye,
teacher.
teacher.